We're doing something new today. Let's talk about gold and silver. First, I want to give you a little bit of backstory. Secondly, I want to talk about 2 plans or aims for myself and precious metals for 2023. Those are how often I buy and my silver to gold ratio. Let's go. Thanks to my dad, I did not only get into tech, but also learned an appreciation for the shiny, and I think since 2016 or 17 made it a tradition that no matter how good or how bad the year was, I would still buy some physical metal and try to store it away. I never bought it with the intention of making more money, rather a mixture of saving and wealth preservation, though those older buys still did well. And at the same time, I will say here, there have been times in the past when life hit bad that I was happy to use it. One example I remember selling some gold for was fixing my car, which I'm dependent on where I live. Crypto was in a worse bear market at the time than it is now, so it made more sense for me to sell a more stable asset at that time, while still trying to buy it back later. So it is a saving mechanism in one way for me, and in the other way I'd not hesitate to spend it if I really need to. Nowadays I'd probably rather spend stablecoins first if the infrastructure allows it. Those are other topics we deal with on the channel. Back to the shiny. So firstly, I want to try to move up from 1 buy a year to 1 buy a month, even if it's just smaller buys. For once it will keep me on the topic more, and I indeed want to accumulate more while I can. Crypto is in a bear market, but on-chain activity is still profitable. So why not turn more digital into analog shiny? That is aim number 1, buying once a month. Another thing is that I want to observe my silver to gold ratio more. That means how many ounces of the one I have for the other. Only counting bullion, not gifted collector pieces, I calculated that I sit at around 18:1 silver to gold. I guess more traditional investors would call that conservative, but at the same time most of my net worth is in crypto, so I guess this does not count for me. Long story short, I'd like to up the silver in the ratio while still adding to the gold. That is aim number 2. Last time I talked about gold on the channel was during the very first lockdown in 2020. It's not really tech, but fits topics of self-sovereignty and independence, which goes hand in hand very well with tech and crypto. It's good to have analogs as well. While talking about it today, telling you my plans as well as my ratio, it is a kick in my own behind to at least revisit this and how my plans turned out 1 year from now. At the same time, it gives me the chance to find out about you folks. Tell me if you are a collector, investor, or metals are part of your apocalypse survival strategy. I have to say all of those aspects speak to me in one way or another. So maybe more than 1 video a year if you're interested. That's it. Next video is back to tech, and if you missed it, we did one for Android Monero mining last week. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Please leave a sub if you wish to do so. Happy mining on and offline, and bye.